Morons Hawks.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hawks, and today's video we're inside this cozy Citroen XM. That's my brother Miko, and we're going to test the acceleration of this old car. It's 2.1 TD. It's a turbo diesel engine with 109 horsepower. Am I right?
Yeah.
It's already almost 13 years old. It's not still. It has a very nice steering wheel, and we're on the highway where we will test the acceleration of that old car. We put on first gear, where everything is in normal mode here, and we will die because of so much fuel, diesel, CO2 smell. Okay, we should choose appropriate RPM and see what will happen. We will break apart or no? Did you know your car can do this? Second gear? I don't think it's needed more than 4,000. Okay, 100. That's it. 4 gear and 100. We will leave a little bit the car to rest and make another turn because too much wheel spin today. There is a what? It's wet today.
You're changing the clutch, right?
Yeah, my brother is afraid because of his clutch. Well, it's an old car, and when you push it to the limit, actually everything can blow. But
yeah,
we'll be.
You know, with your situation.
Yeah, I already destroyed one TDS by pushing it too much. Okay, I'll start with lower RPM this time. Ooh, that was better. Shifting like a maniac. Okay, 100 already. Woohoo! Good, done. Okay, we are done. We'll leave the car to rest. So guys, that was the acceleration. We will calculate it on the video to see what was about in the time, but
around 11-12 seconds.
What did official data says? 12?
Yeah, 12, 11 something.
11 or 12. Well, we'll check that in the video, and we'll check if this car is faster or slower than my 75 Citroen Petrol ZX Zetco. We'll check that. What do you think, bro?
I think above 60, I guess it's faster.
Above 60 is faster because of turbo, yeah. That. Okay, thank you guys. Watch our other driving videos. Bye for now.